How can you use a line plot to organize and represent measurement data? Let's find out. The dogs in Paulina's pet shop have the following weights. The weights are in pounds. How can you organize this information in a line plot?
Measurement data that is organized is easier to use.
Organize the data. Write the weights from least to greatest. You can also organize the data in a frequency table. The frequency is how many times a given response occurs. What do the columns in the frequency table represent? They show the different measurement values and how often each value appears. How will this information help you make a line plot? The information in the frequency table tells you the values that need to be marked on the line, and how many dots to put above each value on the line. Make a line plot. First, draw the number line using an interval of 1/4. Then, mark a dot for each value in the data set. Write a title for the line plot. What does each dot on the line represent? What do the numbers on the line represent? Each dot represents one dog, and the numbers represent the weights of the dogs in pounds. What observations can you make about the dogs in the pet shop? Their weights can be organized into two groups. 6 dogs weigh from 6 to 8½ pounds, and 6 dogs weigh from 11½ to 12¼ pounds. Now you know how to use a line plot to organize and represent measurement data.